Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Ghosh and I am a data science and business analytics intern at the Spark Foundation of May 21 batch. This is my fourth task, which is exploratory data analysis. Here we have provided a data set on global tourism, and my aim is to find out the hot zone of tourism. So at first we import all the necessary libraries like pandas, numpys, matplotlib, seaborn, etc. Then I load my dataset and then display this. This is our data, which contain 1,81,691 rows and 135 columns. Then I use describe function and see the mean, standard deviation, minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum values. Then I use shape function and see the 1,81,691 rows and 135 columns. Then I use column functions, info functions. Here, column functions exhibit those 135 columns names, and info functions exhibits that we have 55 float variables, 22 integer variables, and 58 categorical variables. Then just for simplicity, I modify my data. At first, we rename those necessary columns like I year to year, I month to month, I day to day, country underscore text to country, etc. And then I construct a new data set with those 18 new columns. And then we display the new data set. So this is my new dataset. Actually, the old dataset, which is terrorism dataset, which is a large dataset. So the old one contains 135 columns, and the new dataset contains only 18 columns. So just for simplicity, we have done this. Then again, we use shape functions and also display the columns of this new dataset, and checking the null values and see those are non-null. Then we compute correlation matrix and see killed and wounded exhibit a moderate positive correlation, which is 0.53. Uh, then we draw histogram for year, month, day, latitude, longitude, killed, wounded variable. Then we draw area diagram to find out the hot zone of terrorist attacks, and see South Asia, Australia, Southeast Asia have large number of terrorist activities. Then we count terrorist activities and plot this from year to year, and see in 2014 and 2015 the large number of terrorist activities are happened. Then we calculate the percentage of attacks that has happened since 1970 to 2017, and see 651 attacks happened in 1970, and 10,900 attacks happened in 2017. So total number of attacks from 1970 has increased by 94% till 2017. It's a large scale percentage. Then we draw bar diagram for different types of attacks, and see this is the large one. So bombing and explosions are the mostly used for terrorist attacks. Then again we draw bar diagram for different types of attacks, and see private citizens and properties. This one, a target widely by terrorists when compared to other people. Then we count the terrorist attacks in each country, region, and city, and draw horizontal bar diagram. Sorry, horizontal column diagram. Here, Iraq exhibit the large one. Middle East and North Africa, this region, the large number of terrorist attacks are happened, and the city Baghdad, which contributes a large number of terrorist attacks. Here we see the country which suffered the maximum attacks. So Iraq has suffered the maximum number of terrorist attacks, which is 24,636. Then we draw another horizontal column diagram and find out the terrorist organisms that carried out the operations in different countries. So this is the large one, and then we analyze our data, say before and after war. We plot a line diagram and subdivided bar diagram, and see country with highest terrorist attacks is Iraq. Region with highest terrorist attacks is Middle East and North Africa. Maximum people killed in an attacks are 1,570 that took place in Iraq, and city with highest terrorist attacks is Baghdad. So after analyzing these data set, we conclude those statements. First one is terrorist activities are more in Middle East and North Africa. Attacks have increased from 2010 in Middle East and South Africa. Terrorist organizations have started using airports and aircrafts and military as their major target type since 2000s. Iraq has suffered the maximum number of terrorist attacks. Baghdad is the most attacked city, followed by Karachi. Bombing and explosions was most frequent type of attacks. Group with the most attacks are Taliban. Year 2014 witnessed most terrorist attacks. Private citizens and properties are targeted widely by terrorists when compared to the other people. Total number of attacks from 1917 has increased drastically in 2017. We see this is a 94%. South Asia, Australasia, and Southeast Asia have large number of terrorist activities. We see this from this area diagram. Terrorist attacks in Middle East and North America have fatal consequences. Middle East and North Africa seem to have places of serious attacks. Muslims are affected most by these attacks, and Iraq, Afghanistan, and Pakistan are the most damaged countries. So this is my analysis. Thank you.